Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today, I'm going to share with you a new AI called Qwen AI that I just came across that can actually create unlimited images and unlimited videos for free, totally free. You don't have to pay for it. You just need to sign into Qwen.ai, go to chat.qwen.ai, and then you just from text, right, you can actually create images and videos for free just by text prompting. Let me show you an example. You click on the image generation. Okay, image generation. And then one thing I like about here is that you can actually choose different sizes. You can create for like Instagram kind, or for YouTube landscape, or portrait, for shorts, different sizes. Okay, which is good versus other AI tool like ChatGPT I use. Um, ChatGPT and Copilot, they are not able to change the size like this straight away. So I like this. It's able to change. For example, I want to have like a landscape 16:9. Okay, I'm going to tell Gwen AI to maybe okay, create an image of a happy dog with a lady at a park. Okay, for example, just let's see how it will turn out. Okay, happy moments a day in the park. There you go. Quite nice. Happy moments. This is quite nice with the dog. Okay, yeah. Then, okay, let's do the same thing. I am going to do, instead of, okay, let's create a video. Okay, okay, a video of a happy dog with a lady at the park. Let's see what happens. Video generation. Okay, let's click on it. It will take some time to create the video. Meanwhile, if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. My name is Janice. Okay, it will take a while to generate the video. Okay, meanwhile, while it's generating, right? Let me show you some other things. Okay, these are some of the videos I made sure generate, like, okay, this. Okay, this. Okay, but the generation of this one is not so good. The text is not correct. Some of text cannot be read and all that. So the AI model is not completely good. Okay, another one. Okay, so these are some examples of the video creation, and it's unlimited. You can do completely for free. Okay, then I'm going to show you another one. I try to get, yeah, like Jack Zhang, create a Jack Zhang image, right? At Wallace, but it's not Jack Zhang at all. So it's not as intelligent versus other AI model is able to generate exact photo of the person and yeah, create the AI video. But this model, this AI, Qwen AI, is not able to do it. Even though it's unlimited, and I find it's a bit not so good. Okay, not so good. Yeah. And then let's say this, like I was telling, okay, let's go back. Okay, now the video is ready. Let's take a look. Okay, good. The video turns out quite well. It's like moving. The lady is moving with the dog at a park and is happy. I like this. Okay, it's like realistic. Okay, realistic background. Okay, so some of the video generation is quite good. Okay, video generation is quite good. Image is always quite good, depending on what you prompt, I guess. Yeah. Okay. So basically, that is some of the good things about Qwen AI. You can actually create unlimited videos and unlimited images. Now I'm going to try to go back to create another new image. Let's say, mm, okay, let's do another image. Image of dinosaur species. Okay, dinosaur species. Yeah, I think I forgot to change the dimension. This one is only one species, quite nice. The animated picture. Okay, okay. So that is another way to create images like this. So you can actually create cartoon or images. Okay, create Flintstone characters image in dinosaur world. Okay, let's see how it goes. Flintstone. Will they put the Flintstone characters? This time the image generation take a while to create. Okay, there you go. Okay, not exactly Flintstone, but the people with the dinosaur. Okay, still quite good. Quite good. See this? Quite nice. Okay, so there you go. Unlimited, completely free image generation with Qwen AI. I'll put in the link description in this video to use this Qwen AI completely for free. Okay, yeah. That's it. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.